Today I'm taking you for RFC Rainforest Challenge Goa, and this is an event which I've been going from almost 2017, if I can remember properly. So yeah, let's see what the day have for us. All the boys are here in the car.
Yeah.
इसका फर्स्ट टाइम है RFC.
Yes, yes.
फर्स्ट टाइम.
कुछ नहीं
कुछ नहीं हो गया. तेरा भी फर्स्ट टाइम है. दो शब्द. दो शब्द. वेरी गुड. ये बंदा आ चुका है पहले. दो शब्द. नो शब्द. So this is the gang. बहुत ही दो शब्द वाली गैंग है. So now we are moving towards RFC and I hope it doesn't rain because Pratik has forgotten the big umbrella. Yeah.
As always.
As always. So, which car are you excited for?
Jimny.
Jimny.
Yes.
Pratik?
I'll say Fortuner, Hilux and Jimny. Modified scenario.
And I am always excited to see the Isuzus. So,
Isuzu. Yeah, that's a good option.
But then I feel
Even a
today,
Xenon, if like you see one.
Yeah.
Like
I
a
feel
good Xenon.
this year it would be more of Jimnys.
Jimnys.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
This year the turnout has been crazy. There's so many cars compared to last year. I'll show you them right now.
Angle सारखा मिळाला नव्हता.
Some green stuff. What is that track?
It's extreme tech. Oh, this shot was good, huh? That's the only amount of comfortable we have.
This is the area. This is the second track. Here you can see everyone, like all the cars, and there was the first track.
ആ നെറ്റ് കൊടുത്ത്
Tanto con los que andan शेत मारपाक गेला
या साईड येऊ See this, guys. This is basically heaven for car guys. So that was RFC for you guys. I hope you all liked the video. Now we'll ask the guys who have come for the RFC for the first time. Rakesh, how was RFC?
Too good.
Next year? Next year?
Sure.
Sure. इसने अब तक नहीं देखा है RFC. इसको he came late, so we went for lunch first, and after that अभी जाएंगे हम लोग. Okay. I'll get your reactions then. Pratik, how was RFC?
Good, very good.
Good. You almost got run over, no?
Yeah, I did.
Ever heard goldfish only remember things for 3 seconds?
So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you like the किती बोलला नाही.
ते ना रे रिएक्शन कॅप्चर करतो म्हणलो रे माझे आणि आता थँक्यू सो मच
She went to shot. Oh, DD. Oh, what it is? Oh, DD. What it is?
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.
बाय